Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to test the static weight on your Assioma Pro. First of all, in order to perform this test properly, you first need to install the pedals, or at least the pedal with the sensor on it, on your bicycle. And once you do that, you're gonna need to open the Favero Assioma application on your smartphone and connect to your pedal right here. Select it, tap connect. Okay, we have lost connection. Let's activate the pedal. Now let's go to settings, and here open the advanced settings and select the static weight test. So now you're gonna have to tap start. Once again, your pedal must be on a bicycle, not around you, like in my case. Then you're gonna have to select the test weight measurement, enter it right here. So it can be any charge that you are using to measure, to calibrate your pedal. Once you have selected the proper value, just tap next. Now, after you do that, make sure that nothing is weighing your pedal. Make sure that your left pedal is facing downwards. So make sure that it's your pedals are set vertically, and your left one, if you only have your sensor on the left one, is facing the 6 o'clock. If not, then just set your pedals vertically. Tap calibrate, wait until the calibration is finished, and after that apply the weight to your pedal or to your pedals, depending on what you see right here, and tap measure. And after that you'll be able to continue the operation. And unfortunately I cannot continue it right now because my pedal is removed from the bicycle, but basically you just have to follow the instructions further, and this way you can perform the static weight change. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.